Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be showing you a strategy that I use to grow my small accounts with 90% winning rate. I didn't want to expose this strategy, but then a lot of you have been complaining to say you can't afford my mentorship, so I decided to show you on how you can actually grow your small accounts into big accounts so you can pay for my mentorship, right? Because a lot of you all have been complaining and I can't trade each and every one of you guys account, because I need to trade my accounts also. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually flip your small account into big account using smart money. Like I've been exposing my strategy little by little for you guys to actually grasp it and start growing your small accounts. All you have to do is just watch my videos. You don't have to pay for my mentorship. Just make sure you start watching my videos from the first video I posted and you'll be able to grasp my strategy for free. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's get straight into the video. So in this video I'm gonna be using smart money concepts, right? Like with these concepts, my students are able to flip accounts as low as $10 to 300 USD in just one trade with the same concepts I'm about to teach you in this video for free. You know what I'm saying? So all you have to do is just like this video, comment in the comment section below what you want to see next, and I'm gonna make that video for you. And thank you all for 3K. It's a lot of people, actually. It's a lot of subscribers. I didn't know saying I'm gonna hit 3K this year, but you guys made it possible, so that's why I'm gifting you all with my strategy for free, right? Yeah, boy. So all you have to do is just continue supporting the channel by liking this video, commenting in the comment section below, and sharing it with your friends so they can learn also, right? So let's get straight into the video. So yeah, first thing first, I'll start by explaining how I caught this beautiful trade right here with little or no drawdown, right? So I'm gonna be showing you what I was looking at and how I analyzed it in order for me to catch these entries right here, right? So first thing first, what I did was a top-down analysis. I started from a 4-hour to identify what was really happening. Those of you that watch my video, you know I love to trade the rising wages and the falling wages because they give maximum profit. So I knew to say the market is going to go up because it formed a falling wedge, and falling wedges always go up. So I knew to say this market is about to shoot up, but then that information wasn't enough alone for me to catch a sniper entry and maximize on my profits, right? So I caught the entries around this area here and then came out around this area because I knew to say the market will reverse somewhere here and then shoot up later. So let me show you exactly how I caught these entries and what I was thinking in the process here, right? So like I said, I love to do a top-down analysis first. So in a top-down analysis, this is why I marked my trend lines here, showing me to say it formed a falling wedge, which I knew to say it's gonna shoot up, right? So now I had to go down all the way to my 50 minutes for me to catch my entries, right? So like I said, I use smart money concept to catch my entries here. So what I was looking at here was I wanted to see the market changing character, right? Like in smart money concepts, there is what we call change of character. So what I did was I waited for inducement, which is just liquidity, right? So when the market grabbed liquidity around this area here, right, as you can see, the market was going down all the way here, and this was my area of interest. So I knew to say the market should reverse from around this area, right? So I just wanted to see a change of character here, which I was able to see here. As you can see, I marked my support level just here. So when the market came and broke it, I knew to say there've been a change of character here. The market has broken this lower high here, which it formed. So all I had to do is just mark my support. All I had to do is mark my demand zone or fair value gap. So you can either use a fair value gap or you can use a demand level. In this case, I used this demand level right here, as you can see in 15 minutes time frame here, right? But I had to scroll down all the way to 5 minutes in order for me to be accurate. So this is the level that I used. As you can see, the market just came, tapped in, and then it shot all the way up, and this is where my entries were. You can see in 15 minutes time frame. So this is a very simple but powerful strategy that you can use, right?
Okay.
So like I said, you have to identify your area of interest, and then you have to identify areas of liquidity there. So if you see liquidity being grabbed like this, and then there's a change of character, you just have to wait for the market to come back to your demand or your fair value gap, and then you can enter, right? Those of you that don't understand here, you can join my mentorship where I get to teach you all this on a one-to-one level, right? Like it's easy like that. But then to those that know smart money concept, you know what I'm talking about here. And yeah, so let me just give you another example so you guys can understand more in case you didn't understand here, right? Let's go to VIX10. So here I'm going to be showing you a trade that my student took in the group, and I'll show you the results you get. I actually missed this one, but I'm going to be showing you the results of my student that caught this trade, right? It's the same thing. I'm from explaining. Let me just show you what we was looking at here, right? So as you can see, the blue zone here, the blue zone there was my area of interest, right? It was a demand zone, which was actually going to be respected because it was a very strong demand zone around that area. So now what we was waiting for was a change in character, and then market coming to tap to the demand or a fair value gap, and then we can execute our sales, right? So let me show you right here. Let's go to 5 minutes time frame. This is where we catch our trades, right? So in 5 minutes time frame, like I said, all I wanted to see was a change of character, and then market coming to tap to my order block or fair value gap or demand zone, and then I should execute, right? So in this case, let me show you. The market shot all the way up here, right? In 5 minutes, you can see saying the market came back and broke the higher low it formed here. So when it broke the higher low, I need to say there was change of character here, right? You can see here there was a break. So when the market came back inside, all I had to do was just mark my either fair value gap or my demand zone. In this case, I marked my demand zone because it looked so strong here, right? This was my demand zone here, right? So we just waited for the market to come and tap into the demand zone, and then we started executing full margin from this area, right, after it closed. So, and look at how far the market went, all the way here. TP1 hit, TP2 hit. So if you want to learn these concepts, all you have to do is just subscribe to the fxb2b strategy course, and you'll be able to learn this strategy for me personally, right? See you in the next video. I'm out.
Mountain ground, горная поляна, таких мест как здесь жаль, но осталось мало, люди едут, и мало, долго до